Now let's discuss about Noli Me Tangere. Moving on to one of Rizal's greatest work, Noli Me Tangere, the title is Latin for Touch Me Not. Rizal published this novel in 1887 in Berlin, Germany. What he wanted was to open the eyes of Filipinos to the injustices, corruption, and abuses of Spanish colonial rule. He was actually inspired by Harriet Beecher Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin, a novel that exposed the sufferings of African American slaves. Rizal thought if that book could awaken the conscience of Americans, then maybe his novel could do the same for the Filipinos. The novel had four main purposes. First, to expose social ills, especially the abuse of friars and corrupt officials. Second, to awaken national consciousness. This is to make Filipinos realize that they were oppressed. Third, to push for reform, not violent revolution, because Rizal believed in education and peaceful change. And lastly, he wanted to steer patriotism by showing love of country through the struggles of his characters. If you read the Noli, you'll notice its themes are very relevant even today. It talks about social injustice, racial discrimination, land grabbing, and abuse of the poor. This also reveals corruption and the misuse of powers by friars and officials. At the same time, it shows love and sacrifice, especially through the romance of Ibarra and Maria Clara. It also contrasts true religion with hypocrisy, pointing out friars who used religion for control instead of faith. And above all, the novel is filled with nationalism, the call to recognize our own Filipino identity and dignity. At this juncture, let's meet and know some of the key characters of Noli Me Tangere. First of all, let's have Crisostomo Ibarra. Ibarra is the idealistic young Filipino educated in Europe, representing reform and hope. Next, we have Maria Clara, a symbol of purity, but also of the struggles of Filipino women under colonial pressures. Next, we have Padre Damaso, arrogant and abusive, the face of friar power. Next, we have here Elias, the revolutionary spirit fighting for justice and freedom. And then we have Sisa, Crespin, and Basilio, innocent victims of cruelty, representing the ordinary Filipino families who suffered the most. So these are only some of or a few of characters in the Noli Me Tangere. The Noli Me Tangere became a powerful tool of propaganda against Spanish oppression. It was banned in the Philippines by Spanish authorities for its criticisms, but secretly circulated and widely read. The novel awakened Filipino nationalism and laid the foundation for the Philippine Revolution of 1896. Together with El Filibusterismo, it is regarded as Rizal's greatest contribution to Philippine literature and history. For the conclusion, Noli Me Tangere is not just a love story. It is a social novel that unmasks the realities of colonial Philippines. Through this work, Rizal gave Filipinos a mirror of their society, its flaws, struggles, and its strengths. It remains a timeless call for justice, dignity, and national identity.